Welcome back, guys. I hope you find this air filter change video helpful. Credit to Suzuki for making this such a straightforward and easy job. Let's get to it. 4mm Allen for the trim piece screw. Gently push in and down on the front loop of the trim, and then pull the piece free from the Velcro and rubber grommets. Now a 5mm Allen to remove the seat bolt. Repeat the process on the other side and remove the seat. With a 5mm Allen, remove the tank hold-down bolts and their washers. Now I can raise the front of the tank and prop it up with a large screwdriver like so. I start with the two middle airbox screws with a JIS screwdriver. I use a magnet to retrieve the screws. I continue to remove a total of 10 of these screws that hold the airbox together. Then I switch to a 10mm socket to remove the two injector rail bolts. Now I can open the airbox just enough to remove the filter. This is the stock filter. At this stage you can replace it with your new stock filter or a performance filter. My ECU flash calls for this Sprint P08 filter. I clean out any debris in the airbox, which in this case isn't much. Now I just orient the tabs like so and replace squarely for a correct seal. Make sure the airbox is closed properly and seals correctly. I recommend a magnetic screwdriver to replace the middle screws. These go through the holes in the filter tabs. Next, the injector rail bolts. The torque spec on these are 31 pound-inches or 2.6 pound-feet. Now I finish replacing the remaining 8 screws. I lower the tank back down and replace the hold-down screws and washers. Replace these nylon seat tabs into the metal loops and lower the front of the seat. Reinstall the seat bolts. Then reinstall your trim. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please subscribe.